Most people are familiar with AI like ChatGPT, where you ask a question and get an answer. That's reactive AI. Agentic AI goes a step further. An agent can set goals, plan steps, take actions, observe results and adapt, all with minimal human input. Think of it like the difference between asking for directions versus hiring an assistant who actually goes and completes the task for you. Agentic AI matters because real-world problems aren't solved in a single step. Planning a trip, debugging software, running a business workflow, these all require multiple decisions, tool usage, and feedback loops. Agentic systems allow AI to handle these complex workflows autonomously. At a high level, every agentic AI system has 5 core components. 1. Goal. A clear objective like find the best laptop under $1,000. 2. Planner. The agent breaks the goal into steps: research, compare, summarize. 3. Tools. Agents can use tools, APIs, browsers, databases, or even code execution. 4. Memory. Memory allows agents to remember past actions, context, and results. 5. Reflection. The agent evaluates results and adjusts its plan if something didn't work. Let's walk through a simple example. Imagine an AI research assistant tasked with: create a summary of the latest trends in agentic AI. Traditional AI waits. Agentic AI initiates. This shift is why agentic AI is often described as the foundation of autonomous digital workers. Several frameworks make building agentic systems easier. AutoGPT popularized autonomous agents. LangGraph focuses on structured, reliable workflows. Crew AI enables multiple agents working together. And OpenAI's Assistance API allows agents with tools and memory. You don't need to build everything from scratch anymore. Agentic AI is already being used for customer support automation, software development assistance, market research, data analysis, personal AI assistance. Anywhere work involves repeated decision-making, agents shine. To get started, you need 3 things. 1. A language model. 2. A goal-driven loop. 3. Tools the agent can use. Start small. Build one agent that does one task well.